All right, friends, subscribers, and internet strangers. What's up? Bearded Picker back at you. Today, we are going to find such joy and pleasure in opening all those Amazon returns. Let's see what condition they're in and what the hell they sent back. Get ready for the fun, entertainment, humor. Let's get started. Alright, so what do I do with the box cutter? Box cutter. I'm of the firm belief that every time these are on sale, I buy them because once you have reached a level of having like 40 or 50 of these, karma will allow you to find them again once you've lost so many of them. So, yep, so. Alright, this is a little A1 small box. Haha. Maybe I saw something. Alright then, well, this is good news for someone. Maybe their ass stopped leaking. Alright, so they open the ass pads. Let's see how many they probably use. Do I really want to count them or I don't really care? No, I don't know. I don't care. I have my. I'm gonna put these in the van. I'll just start wearing them, I guess. Alright. When the first thing you open in the video is ass pads. Ooh, there goes the mail lady. What's up, mail lady? And she's got a package. Probably more returns. Alright. I love it when they come in these bubble mailers because you know it's going to be screwed up, right? What the? It's a brown sugar saver. It's a softens rock hard brown sugar. Oops. She rang the doorbell. Oh, she didn't wait. See ya. So yeah. This is not a return. This is something Joni ordered. You gotta see the humor in that, right? Alright. Getting back to our regular scheduled program that is currently in progress. Ring box. Anybody need some ring props? They sent these back because they said they were out of date. The only problem is it's hard candy. They don't have a date. So I should have put a better date on them than what I stuck on them. Because if you don't put a date on it, Amazon will assign a date for you. So I'll make them a date and send these back. Alright, so far, do ass pads and ring pops go together? Who knows? These right here, I'm telling you, the gifts to keep on giving. At some point, this is funny, these are not mine. Dan A, Mr. MC Hammer, got restricted on these. And for some reason he said, don't you want them? I should have said no. Because I have donated probably 70 of these. I sent 30 of them in, none of them have sold. So I donated a bunch of them to the local thrift store down the street. So the ladies will be nice smelling. But yeah, there's 4 more. So that wasn't even my return. That was, sometimes when somebody says, you want these for free, you should say no. Because I got a feeling that if there's all these boxes, we're going to see some more of these. It's awesome that he got restricted. And then by the time they showed up here, they're not worth anything. Even for free, you can't make money. I'm not taking these out of the box because... Okay, so there's 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 10 of these guys here. 12, 14. We have 14 of these guys. And whoever is blowing on my phone, give it a rest. I got a feeling we're about to see some more of those. This might not be a bad video after all. This might be a video that I've got a bunch of boxes and it didn't cost me, but that's an ass pass, right? I am saving the world one leaky tail at a time. So yeah, that was an extra large one. They're both large. So yeah, there's that. So what do you think they did to it? When they mangled the box so bad, that's just one. I don't know what that is. Just banging around in there. The phone is still in here. Looks like they put it on there, they open it all up, and then they put it back in the box. Joy. Uh-oh. Should I go back and edit the video? Because this is the third pair of these headphones that I've gotten back. Let's see what kind of shape they are. I'll sell them. See what kind of shape they're in? They didn't take these out. But you know what? They didn't send a freaking charger back with them. That's what disgusts me about an Amazon. How can so many people be so dishonest and be Amazon customers? That's the one disappointing thing about selling online and dealing with all these returns is, you know, I like to believe everyone is good. I like to believe everyone is honest. I treat people that way. But, you know, there is a small percentage of all these returns that people clearly steal stuff. You know, there's a good chance they bought that just for the charger. So I'm gonna have to look at the other one and I'll see if I can put a generic charger in there and I'll still sell it. But it's just returns makes you if this is the same box as that one, I bet these are secret wipes. What do you think? Secret wipes? Hey, he tried these. He did these in 2 bags. Oh, and he got restricted in that one too, I think. Or these are both Dan A. So yeah, we'll have to check out the Kiss My Face. Oh. I should have known when everything came the same size. But you can't tell what's in these boxes. 2, 4. So there's 4 more 2 packs. Is there anybody out there that needs some secret wipes? Let me know before I donate these. All right. So that concludes fun with packages. I hope going into this weekend, I hope I provided some humor for you. Get your returns back. The one thing I would tell you is I get this question every now and then. Do I allow Amazon to repackage and do whatever? The answer is hell no. The one thing you got to realize is somebody could have easily looked at this and retaped it because, you know, look at it. It's in wonderful shape. It's got the instructions laying right there and all that stuff. And they might have easily missed that the charger was gone. And they could have sent that to a customer with no charger. What was the first thing I said? Oh, man, this is in pretty good shape. Oh, wait a minute. No charger. So you don't want to trust an hourly employee with Amazon to decide that, you know, that should go back out to a customer because it happened to me. You will get sold used as new. And Amazon goes, so tell us how you're going to prevent this. You know, that's because you have to make an action plan for these things. And my action plan was that part of the action plan was that I am no longer going to allow Amazon to repackage products that I would bring them home and inspect every single one of them to verify condition for myself. And it's a shame it's that way, but I would suggest you do the same thing as well. You don't have to get the returns back. You can actually send these. You can have them they come back for 50 cents an item, or you can destroy them for 10 cents an item. It's your choice. And by destroy, that Amazon sells them off in pallets. It's a nice little racket they've got there for 10. They charge you 10 cents handling or whatever it is. which is cheaper than the 50. But then they make money on selling it. So yeah. So this, I get my returns on twice a month. The 5th, actually, I think I switched it to every week. So that's this week. So I eagerly await the next round of returns. All right, let's get busy. You can see I got a lot of stuff to do back there. So thanks for watching. Do the YouTubery. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I guess tomorrow's video will be, we're going to yard sale. So it'll be some kind of yard sale video, haul video, something. We'll see you in the next one. Roll Tide.